Build-A-Bear Workshop. Hi everybody, today we are in Build-A-Bear Workshop. Yes, my name is Pinky. I am a little teddy bear color pink. This is the place where Olivia created me.
Hey, my name is Dino Loco. I am a dinosaur. Here you will see how Samuel created me.
Yes! You can have so much fun creating your own stuffed animal here. A custom teddy bear. Let's begin. There are so many designs, but Olivia picked me. A pink teddy bear. There is a dragon here, a Pokemon, and Samuel picked the dinosaur.
Yes, that's me, Dino Loco.
There are many characters. There is a little teddy bear here. Hello. There is characters from Star Wars, and here is Bowser from Mario Bros.
Hi, how are you?
You finding everything okay?
Yes, she picked this one
You're
and
gonna
a
make a teddy
dinosaur.
bear? Yeah. Awesome. Do we want to put a sound inside of our friends today?
Yeah.
Come on over. So this is our sound station. We have pre-recorded sounds as well as record your own voice. The buttons don't work, unfortunately, but you can open up the drawers that have the same numbers on them, and then you can listen to it from there. Okay? If they have a little tab, you can pull it right out of the front. Okay? So definitely take your time. Open any of the drawers that you need to listen to them, and once you pick your sound, we'll help you with the stuffer. No rush at all, okay?
Olivia was deciding what sounds to pick.
Versions, you'll find the versions on the top. They matched up.
Heartbeat, I don't know.
Of course.
Roar is number 16.
You can, the roar is for Samuel, the dinosaur.
You can add a heartbeat to your teddy bear that vibrates.
Did it actually do
That's magical fairy sounds.
Making the teddy bear to you.
It's long, it's unlimited tries, and so that way you don't hear the stuffer. I recommend the front.
Hi, mommy, Miss Tinky.
You like it?
Fine, it's cute. That's your Pinky.
Olivia put a sound with her own voice in me. Pinky the teddy bear. But Samuel didn't want to put any sound in his dinosaur.
A little sound thing, dude.
Give him the sound. Give him the sound.
Are we able to record our sound? So my friend, you're going to step on the pedal for me and you're going to hold it down with your foot, okay? I'll let you know when to take it out. Have you been to Olivia before? What's our first time? Oh, what do you think? Thumbs up, thumbs in the middle, thumbs down. Thumbs up. Give it a tiny thumbs up. Are you going to give your bear a name?
Olivia, pay attention, Olivia.
Step off the pedal for me.
Can you step up?
Are you going to dress your bear up today?
Yes.
Yeah. Well, anything in the store should fit. We have tutus, dresses, shirts, pants, tuxedos, literally anything you can imagine. Want to come on over and give us a little squeeze?
Go, Olivia.
See how it feels. Is it soft enough? Do you want it softer, harder?
No, I
No, but when they're mystery, they just like press it. All right, step on that. What pants are you going in? Like really? Oh, wow. Huh? Yeah?
on the days.
Yeah, I'm so sorry. You know where you're headed? Yeah. I like. I was really into like. I like dinosaurs. I love your really long neck. Maybe with a really long neck. You know how like 2 hours yourself working just right? All right. Step on that couple more times, ready?
Hello, Pinky. Hello, Pinky.
Like, mash them.
Yeah. Step off that pedal already. So we want to take the hearts and we're going to rub them on our bear's head so they're super smart.
Robert, Olivia. Robert.
Whoa. You need one heart. Rub it on their toes so they're totally awesome. Perfect. You're going to rub them on their bear's head so they don't really care about you. And on their hearts so they're here forever. We can take the hearts and put them right in their eyes.
Yes.
Right in the little on their nose. And then I can stitch it up for them. On their cheeks. Are we all set with the smells and everything? They do tell the best jokes.
Yeah, I think so.
I'll say that.
They are next to company, so.
They are. And then first, so you don't want to let it Thank you. Hold up. And then you're going to big squeeze on all of it. Close your eyes and wish. And then put the hearts inside your mouth.
Yeah.
Now she's sewing my back. Yes, it's me, Dino Loco the dinosaur. There are many accessories that you can pick for your teddy bear or kitty cat or a stuffed animal, like crowns for princess, dresses, shoes, roller skates, all kind of things that you can imagine. Shoes, sweaters, jeans, pants, princess dresses, pajamas. But the dinosaurs, we don't wear this kind of accessories or clothes because we are wild. We are dinosaurs.
Olivia is dressing me with a skirt tutu. Yes, like a princess. There are so many cute accessories here. There are also wigs for your stuffed animals. Now Olivia is looking for a shirt for me. She found a beautiful butterfly t-shirt for me. Thank you, Olivia. You are the best friend. Olivia wants the be a princess. She picked a beautiful crown, princess crown for me. Her papa is helping her. Now Olivia is picking some shoes for me. She found these ones that are color pink.
Pero eso se va a caer y no es un cumpleaños.
Look at me. I look like a princess. Princess Pinky. Now we are going to print our birth certificates. Right, Dinosaur Loco?
My name is Dino Loco, Pinky. Yes, we are going to print our birth certificates.
So now Olivia and Papa, I'm typing my name, Pinky, the teddy bear, and describing me.
Now Samuel will type my name to print my birth certificate. Do you see my picture? I'm so handsome. Here is this little roller skates. And they also have wigs for teddy bears or stuffed animals. I don't need that.
I am so cute. Look at me in the mirror. Now we are going home with Dino Loco.
Yes, Pinky, we are going home.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching
If you like the video, please subscribe.
and give us a thumbs up.
Yes. See you soon.
Bye.